So now we discuss about the population policy of Rajasthan. So here we discuss about the what are the measures or making the different policy by the Rajasthan government itself, so to eradicate the different diseases which taken by the national population policy, and the different that reduce the child mortality rate and decrease the birth rate also. And so all these are the also taken by the population policy of Rajasthan. So here the population policy of Rajasthan have some kind of regions. So in Rajasthan they are present, so the population growth was at the Rajasthan, so the regions of the population growth at that particular level. So here we discuss the region of population growth at Rajasthan. So after that, before we going to making the population policy of Rajasthan, so we need to discuss the regions of population growth at the Rajasthan level. What are the regions or what are the factor affecting the population growth in Rajasthan? So first region of that population growth at the Rajasthan was geographical region, economic conditions, social, cultural aspects of society in Rajasthan. All these are the reasons to population growth at the Rajasthan. First was geographical conditions. It means that has large part of the Rajasthan comes under a desert part. So they have no livelihood or they have no source of income at that other part of. So desert have no agriculture, and Rajasthan have dependent on the largest population, on 3/4 population of Rajasthan was dependent on the agriculture, and desert have no source of to growing the different kind of the seeds. So that part also affect the population growth at the Rajasthan. And the economic conditions also have, so the family members have thought that number of person in family will be high, so they will be make the earning through the labor, so easily they cover the family livelihood or the earn for the livelihood of the family. And the social in society in the Rajasthan have social constraint also in population growth. Social and cultural we have discussed similarly, because culture is the part of social, and the social culture aspect in the Rajasthan we have preferred to boy in comparison to girl's child, because the boy mentality of the or maybe we may called as a patriarchal society, we prefer the male child in comparison to the girl's child. So we have dominated that mentality. We have need at least one boy child to carry the maybe called family traditions, or maybe the ones we called as a vanshaj, to carry out the vanshaj. So we have need to a male member to carry out the vanshaj. So all these are the factor affecting the population growth at the Rajasthan. Now after that we have low female literacy rate. What was the 55.67% at the Rajasthan? So 52.66. So here was the low female literacy rate, also cause of the population growth at the Rajasthan, because the literate people have know about the how to planning and how to welfare of the family. So that part was lacuna at the part of the female literacy rate. So if the have female was literate or maybe educated, so that female will have the better planning at the family level and they carry out the family at the next step or next stage of the development through the over vision or maybe the skill we have, because the literacy or maybe education that population if have female have get or seek the education properly, so that female will become as a human resource, and that human resource have zeal or the intelligent or use the over intelligent or technology to develop the family at the next stage or next level of the development. So all these are the reasons, and after that they have some third was, so this was the point. After that, lack of social awareness, lack of social awareness. It means in our society at the Rajasthan level, they have lack of social awareness. We have not aware about the what kind of the family planning, how to will be the make the plan at the family level, what will be considering during the planning of that family, and what are the restrictions, what are the issues came during the planning of the family level. So all these are the awareness programs. So government also started to eradicate this region of population growth through the population policy at the Rajasthan through the different level of social awareness program. So in it all about the lack of social awareness, also region of the population growth at the Rajasthan. Now we have so fourth one, birth rate was high at the Rajasthan. Birth rate was high in comparison to compared to death rate. So here we said that because birth rate is high in comparison to death rate, it be natural cause to population growth. So the birth rate was high due to the lack of education, or maybe to wish to get more children, or in preference to giving the boys children. So that are the reasons to birth rate high at the Rajasthan level. So here in society we have desire to male child in preference to girl child. So we desire to male child, so we have, so that's the reason to get the birth rate was high in comparison to death rate. So all are the reasons of population growth at the Rajasthan. So these are reasons taken by the population policy of the Rajasthan through different measures, so that population growth will be reduced through the measures taken by the population policy of Rajasthan. So what are the measures taken by the population policy of Rajasthan to eradicate that particular region of population growth at the Rajasthan level? So here we discuss about that characters or maybe the issues, how to eradicate that region of population growth at the Rajasthan level through the different population policy program, or the different kind of maybe various activities through which that problem of that region of the population growth which we decrease, will be eradicate or maybe remove from the society. So those activity, so here the activities to tackle the regions of population growth at Rajasthan, because we have discussed about the Rajasthan population policy. So activities to tackle the regions of, because we have known that what are the regions to population growth. So after that regions knowing, we have tackling easily that particular regions of population growth by the different activity of the government. So what are the activity of that to tackling the different regions of population growth at the Rajasthan? these activity will be, first one is the unable to, first one unable to couples. So they have one couples to enable the couple to couples about the awareness about family planning and welfare program according to the convenience of couples. So we have the making the awareness to different enable to couples to take the family planning, how the family planning taken place, what are the restrictions, what are the issue came in during the planning of at the family level, and the welfare program of the government also aware about that couple. So that couple will be easily take that planning and the welfare activities to that will be affect the maybe the geographical regions, maybe economic, maybe social cultural, maybe the high birth rate, and they have the lack of awareness was fulfilled by that particular program or activity, or it may be also have to reduce the low literacy rate of the female at through this awareness program or the family planning program. So that will be provide convenience of couple. We cannot force that couple to, but we have about the convenience, the particular couple have interested or have convinced that couple to take that particular part to tackle that region of population growth at the Rajasthan level. So these are the first activity to enable the couples to make the awareness about the family planning and family program. So here we have, so that couple to educate awareness, and second was to educated them about family planning of family. So educated means they have giving that some kind of knowledge or information to that couple, so that couple have unable to take decision or making the plan at the family level. So first activity to tackle the region of population growth at the Rajasthan level was the enable to couple to educated them or giving the awareness according to their convenience. So all are the activities conduct under the enable to couples. So after that we have take second point of that activity was the we have health issues also. So second point dedicated to the disease. So second point was regular vaccination provided to mother and child both, because in during the pregnancy or delivery of child, the mother also have risk to maybe the dying and the some kind of other, maybe we call the as some kind of complication during the delivery. So regular vaccination, it means have different time period, and that particular time period, after that particular time period we have take the provide particular vaccination to mothers or child, so that will be decreasing the mortality rate and the child mortality rate. So it will be assess the mother and the child also health services. So after that we in the regular vaccination program, so that have different program started by Rajasthan government. So that are the Mantri Shishu मातृ शिशु स्वास्थ्य योजना, मातृ शिशु स्वास्थ्य योजना, it means mothers and शिशु both have, mother and child both have considered to for the health services. So vaccination provided through the, so the health and the particular maybe called the proper care of the care and health provide, care and health provided through that vaccination program. So the mortality rate reduced, the child and mother mortality rate, death rate also we called. So that was the second activity in the tackling the region of population growth at the Rajasthan in the population policy of Rajasthan. Now we have the third point was to, third was Jan Mangal Jor. Third was the Jan Mangal Jor. It means the ensuring the availability of the means of family welfare. It ensured that in the Jan Mangal program, in this program we have ensured that every family gets the welfare services. So in that Jan Mangal Jor, it means the Jan Mangal program was started by the Rajasthan government. So to ensure that every family gets the welfare services. So after they getting the welfare services, so that family enhance the, or maybe that family was developed, so it will be helpful to the tackling the region, tackling the population growth at the Rajasthan level. So this will be the all about the, so in all these activities tackling the region of population growth was the main important part was played by the female part, because female was the man who will be lead the family through. So in the family welfare program, the woman was the, or maybe female was the centric point to consider, ensure that female have give the better education, so that will be enhance the particular family at the next level with the his IQ and maybe intelligent, and with the help of other tools of the resource or other means of resources. So the female was the main important role play in the different welfare program of the family. So the government also provided health care and family welfare schemes in remote areas. So under this activity, so government provides the different health and welfare schemes to remote areas, because in remote areas easily that remote areas population could not able to access that program or the scheme of the government easily. So that government have provided some corrective measures to implement that scheme at the remote area. So easily that person or population number of persons at that particular remote area also easily access that government services which have helpful in the population to transform in the human resource as a human resource. So all these are the about the population policy of Rajasthan. So after that we have these policy of the state or nations or country are formulated for the population can be transferred from the human resource. From human population is here through the different corrective measures, through the different corrective measures, that population shifted to the as a human resource. That human resource are as the asset of that population was the asset of the economy, because that population was creating the money through the using of the different resources which are present at that country. So, not that liability of the economy, because liability was taking the money or using that money, not creating that money for the development. So population after becoming a human resource, it will be a development of the economy source. So different kind of policies, population policies, and different kind of the tackling the region of population growth at different level are also ensured that the growth rate will be decreased, so that limited resources will be allocated highly spread among the limited number of population. So they are easily assessed that according to need or the appropriate particular ratio of that amount of resources according to his need or his capability. So they will be developed as a next stage, or maybe we called as a human resource. So overall human population become a human resource through the different policy or different kind of tools like education, training, and or skills or training program, counseling. So all these are the tools to convert the human population into human resources. So all about the human resource. Thank you.